Hey everyone. Well, we have made it to week 6. Unfortunately, I am not starting out at school um, on Monday just because, well, my daughter was not feeling well last week and had to get tested for COVID. We still don't have her test results back. We are assuming that they will be negative, but just for precaution's sake, I am quarantining until we have her test results. So, although she's feeling much better, but it is a sign of the times and how we kind of just have to operate. So I just wanted to give you a quick video here on updating on what we are doing this week. Obviously, we are changing with what we are doing because of the state of the county, and um, we're going to do what we need to do to keep everybody safe. And so it's a little bit different this week. So let's just kind of briefly go over this, and then there's another video that will give more of an explanation of how we're going to transition that you'll watch in class on Monday or Tuesday. So first of all, um, progress reports, those are still going out this week. I believe they'll just be sent to everyone now. Um, so please look for those and make sure you go over them with a parent or an adult or or older sibling or even a friend, especially if you're struggling. But reach out to a teacher. I'm more than happy to kind of sit and go over progress reports, not just for my class, but for other classes too. We want to make sure everybody is on the right track. There won't be a Google Meet Friday meet and discuss this week because, well, we're going to be transitioning to virtual, and I'll be meeting on Google Meets with you guys twice a week. Well, this week just once, but then starting, we'll do that um, starting Wednesday or Thursday, and then next week twice a week. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Target this week, we are going to still be working with kinetic energy. Last week we used how speed affected the kinetic energy, and this week we're going to be talking about mass. How big an object is, how does that affect the kinetic energy? So that's our goals this week. So let's look at our breakdown of the schedule. So this schedule looks a little bit different because this week we're going to do a little bit of the hybrid schedule, and then we're going to transition to the virtual, everyone is virtual schedule. So Monday and Tuesday. On Monday, the hybrid A kids are going to come to school. They're going to watch a video that explains exactly how class is going to go. And there is actually a short Google form also that they will fill out afterwards. After they watch that video, it's just an exit ticket to make sure that everybody's on the same page. And then they'll give you some time to also work on any missing work and get caught up. Unfortunately, like I said, I will not be there Monday. On Tuesday for Hybrid A, I am not assigning any new work. I think that we're really just going to focus on transition. I still have lots of students with some missing assignments, and so this will be your time to go ahead and work on anything, even if it's at the beginning, from the beginning of the grading period. I'm going to say, go ahead, try to work on or knock it out. Let's get it done. If you are confused on how to do something, make sure you're going back and watching old videos. That will really help you. I've had lots of emails this past week or this over the weekend on how to do assignments, and not that I mind answering those questions, but I am having a problem getting through all the emails. So if you go back and look at some of the old videos that I've made, I think a lot of your questions will get answered probably quicker than waiting on me to get through the emails because I'm just getting so many, which is great, but I feel bad that I can't answer them as quickly as they're coming in. Okay, if you're hybrid B, again, no new assignment for Monday. Work on anything missing that you have. When you come on Tuesday, fingers crossed, I'm hoping I will be there at least Tuesday. We are going to discuss the virtual learning plan. What if I'm there, we probably won't watch the video, we'll probably just talk about it, but then you guys will also have an exit ticket to fill out. It's just a Google form, and any remaining time work on missing work, okay? So then it takes us to Wednesday. If you are in periods 1, 3, 5, or 7, we are going to have a Google Meet during the assigned time, and the assigned times are posted in a schedule right here. That this is what Dr. Davis shared with everybody. So so you can see like period 1 would start at 8:30 and period 3 will be at 10. Okay. So check out that schedule and make sure you're joining the Google Meet at the correct time. And what we'll be doing is we're going to do activity 4. On Thursday, if you are in periods 2, 4, 6, and also we'll have a homeroom time, you're going to do a Google Meet and we're going to do an activity 4. Now, if I have you in periods 1, 3, 5, or 7, on Thursday, you will not be doing science. Okay, we are going to be meeting for a longer period of time when we meet, and therefore it's like a block scheduling. You'll only be doing your classes every other day. All right. And then Friday, you are going to meet with all periods, and there is going to be just a short open note, open book Google form to make sure that we're on track and understanding kinetic energy. So that is our plan for this week, and I am again sorry that I'm not there on Monday to see all of your faces, but I will be getting to see all your faces on Google Meets twice a week, the full face, not a mask face. So, well, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you later.